Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty gal, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
All right, good morning. I'm here, guys. I am not going to be talking that much this morning. My throat is very, very sore. So we'll talk when we have to, but we're not really going to talk much. So we're going to be muted a lot. Let's see. What happened at like 5:39 this morning? Anybody know? Not run that previously? We did. Just trying to mark some levels out. This just got ran. Good morning, everybody. Ooh, 7, no. We stay close. Let's see here. Tom Sabo guarantee still sitting up there. That open price is kind of irrelevant. All right. Let's see here. Okay. Oh, yeah, I'm not forcing anything, Eric. I'm going to be trading anyway, so there's no point. You know what I mean? Just not gonna talk all that much. I mean, I do think we kind of, let's look at the 4-hour. $5.25 your TP. Let's see what happened on the 4-hour here. Yeah, I mean, it looks like 487 might be in play here. We've already kind of pushed back up into this 4-hour gap. That was like 50% of the range. So it looks like the draw is 563, maybe to 487. Right now, it's kind of what I'm thinking for today's draw and liquidity. A little bit lower here. Because we inversed the 4-hour, so this previous day low would be your 4-hour target. This low down here at 487 would be the 4-hour target at a minimum, I would think. Again, I'm not gonna call out everybody's good morning, guys. My throat's hurting, so I just want to keep it to a minimum on the talking. So if I don't tell you good morning, don't take it to heart. It's just you know, trying to keep the talking to a minimum if I can. We are starting the day red and another tough night. Down $115. I'll show you guys what I did overnight. Really didn't feel well last night either, and just traded stupid. I'll show you what I did. Let me show you. So I thought we were bearish at open, right? So I jumped on the charts. My first entry was bad. I thought we were bearish. So I shorted 695. So I got short here. I thought that we would touch the 735. I thought that's as high as we would go. So my thought process was to add up here. But instead, I did add right at 717. So that made my average about 710. So here's my, oh, I didn't mean to put that on there. So average about 710. So right here, you know, somewhere in there, 709. Well, what's price do? It just kind of grinds above. So I'm in the red here. I'm in the red. I'm in the red. I'm in the red. Right here at top of the hour, 8 o'clock, somewhere right here around 8 o'clock, I just decided to just take it off. Just took it off. Actually, I think it was right here. We pushed down, yeah, top of the hour. We pushed down below my entry, and it failed to go lower, and we bounced. So I took it off there for a $75 loss. I was in 2 micros. You know, why did I take it off? I don't really know. I can't really give you an explanation as to why I took it off. And you see what happened here. Like, we never got above the level that I thought was my line in the sand. And we just pushed right back down. Now, my target obviously was 10 points below. So 709. My target was just 700. So it just pushes down right here, you know, 10 minutes after I get out. So really frustrated there. So I was down $75. And I still thought we were bearish. And so I took another short. Where was it at? It was like right. It was also like shortly thereafter, like right in here. I took another short. And then on this green candle up, I just took a $35 loss. Again, this was my line in the sand. Like, so every trade that I took last night would have worked had I just been patient enough to hold the trade. But I wasn't, and I didn't. And therefore, I'm red. So, it's just a part of the game sometimes. A part of the game. Your son is feeling terrible, but you had to send him to school for map testing. Yeah, Cooper, that sucks. Yes, Jonathan, I'm sick. I just got a cold, I believe, but I'm not feeling good at all. Not feeling the buenoest. 20. So 14-point stop on this trade for the morning. So 14-point stop. We're just going to call it 15. Let's keep it even number here. Make the math easy for us. I'm leaning towards shorts for the day, guys. I think 563 followed by 487 is the target. Now, does that mean that we're going to just go straight to it? No. It doesn't mean that. We know that at open, the market likes to manipulate higher. So if we're looking from this from just a perspective of, we could push all the way back up into the 735s. Like I said, we could push all the way back into the Tom Sabo guarantee and then from there sell back down. I mean, very well could happen, and I would probably prefer that the most. So let's see here. Thank you, Clarity. TJP, good morning. All right, so we're going to see what's happening here. We got about 3 minutes until open. Let me check the news for the day. I didn't even check that. We have Jolts. What time is that? Jolts at 10 a.m. Is that right? Yeah. And a 10-year note auction at 1. That's really it. So 10 a.m. news. Anyhow, the plan's pretty much just to... We think we're bearish. So we're going to be looking for shorts. Sorry if I cough in you guys' ears. For the most part, we're going to be looking for shorts. We may, well, doesn't mean we won't take it long. We'll still take it long, but I'm just thinking that we get shorts. Tomorrow is FOMC. Some tea? Yeah, probably should. Mancini's kind of said that 47 level, traps below 47 will be your long kind of trigger. We're right there at 47 right now as we're opening. I'm kind of expecting it open for us to just rocket ship up. I'm going to be honest. We kind of got a lot of trend line liquidity here, right? It's pretty clean. I think a push up into like the 660s, 670s at open. That's my expectation. We could push down to the 63s first. But we'll see what happens. Gap fill is up there at 713. All right. Fed fund rates, yeah. Coming into the open here, like I said, I kind of think this thing's just going to blast off at open. I really do. Let's see here. Thank you, Condivergence. Good morning. All right, here we go. Tagged in long. See if it just squeezes. Tagged out there. That's all rack. All right, short coming up. Potentially. No, not yet. Need to wait for a candle close here. Morning Sun of Wall Street. Yeah, 47 reclaim was Mancini's long there. It's still pushed up 55 right there at the open. I gotta wait for this candle to close. Gotta wait on it to close. Alright, so we get to push down now. We'll take 3 off at the 63 level there. And we're going to go stop to break even here. See if we can get the runners to run. Again, still have the gap fill up there. All right. ES held 47 there to a tick. To the tick. It held it. And bounced right off of it. That could be your long. Cement a new low there. Need this kind of hold the bottom of this zone. If we get back above there, I think this thing just goes, but let's see. So technically your short would be for the break of 570. But man, the risk to reward on that's not very good. Not very good. Huge SMT, huge divergence with ES. Very dangerous kind of to continue to take trades in this level when we got this huge divergence. Too early in the morning, really. I mean, like, this could be a setup here. Like, we could short here, but the problem is your stop is 30 points. Your take profit's 10. Pretty bad risk to reward. Remember, gap fill's still sitting up there, guys. 713s. ES is still, I mean, ES is clean this morning. 47 was your long at open. Never push back below it. I'm over here looking at the 1 minute again. That now would be We'll see what happens here. I'll take this here. This is just a eval trade only, 1 micro. Very aggressive. Just got done with blood tests. Your blood was black. Dang. That's not good. I don't know if black's a bad thing or what. Engine oil. Must be some old engine oil. All right, let's see what happens here, guys. What up, Sabak? Nice little squeeze here up to the 40s. Oh, I have no ICT. I have no idea. Smoking. I don't know if smoking. I don't know if that affects blood or not. I'm not sure. We got news at 10, guys. I'm not feeling well, so I'm not going to talk as much today. $47 level on ES really paying out. Here's the VWAP, guys. Again, gap fill up here seems to make sense. I'm still bearish on the day, but push up to one of these levels still makes sense. Remember 10 o'clock news. Bulls are awake. Yeah, Trev, I'm not feeling good at all, but I'm okay. Like if I start making bad decisions, then I may go to bed, but as long as I'm not making bad decisions, we'll be all right. Shorting here makes sense. Yeah, it could. Very well could. I don't hate it. Nice 40-point ripper down off VWAP there. I don't know, Weeks. That was a pretty hefty candle. have the audio turned on over here, do I? No. Could maybe short here. Kind of a little bit of a bear flag. Or this could turn into a bull flag theoretically, but we'll see. Yeah, Matty Matt, you're doing great with it. Dude, you're doing so good. Just keep it up. I'm going to try a little scalp here. Let's take a little scalpy. See if the ES holds 57 here. If it doesn't hold it, I'll get out. Eh. May just take it off. Nope. Taking it off, taking it off, taking it off. Let's wait for a better spot. I don't have any tissue, so we're going with the old toilet paper. Going with the old toilet paper. All right, 10 a.m. news, guys. 15 minutes. New 15-minute candle here in a minute, or 20 seconds. There's the new 15-minute candle. Let's see kind of what happens here. Short says ICT, maybe. Roll it up and shove them in the nose. I can't. I can't. What up, Marcin? We break. I don't know. I'm going to wait. 102? What are you sick too? I'm sick. I don't know if I got a fever though. All right, we may long here. Let's see. Boom, 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 boom. All right, here we go. I'm going to take a stab. Take a little stab here. Squeeze it. Matty Matt took another. Nice job. Payman, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. I got my stop in. It's not exactly the clothes we were dreaming of. Let's go, Tech T. Nice job. Got me. Oh, yeah, we got news at 10. What up, Alito? Yeah, I got a cold, Neo, for sure. Yeah, I'm bearish overall ICT, but I would like a pushback up first. Would like a pushback up. Pump and dump. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. All right, news in 10 minutes here. Let's just wait. See what happens. Kind of a weak opening range. 95 points. Huh. Interesting ICT. All right, I'm going to try it again. We're going to try it again. Why not? Much better print there on the ES. No! Don't be rude. Be sweet. Be sweet. be sweet. All right. Talking about over here, ICT. Oh. What up, Sammy? HIV cleave. Oh man, let's see. ES up to the 63. I don't like that. Might pull back here. See if it pushes through there. News in about 6 minutes too. Lost your account, Curd? I might do it too. Double wrap the meat shank. I don't know, Sammy. It's rejecting right now. All right, let's see if we can pop through there. Kind of watching the ES here. I'm going to add into this right here aggressively. Surf, Sun, Sand, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. You the man. Resorts World. Yeah, I like Resorts World. Got news in 4 minutes, guys. Protect yourselves before you wreck yourself. I might wreck myself here. Inside buy. Let me see. Oh, yeah, it's breaking to the opposite direction, too. Trying. Break to the upside, inside buy. I'm long. Squeeze it. Let's go. Everybody say squeeze it. Squeeze it. Look for the gap fill on a couple of these. Let's look for the gap fill up there. Why not? I'm gonna probably exit out of 3 of these if it as we come into the news. You had a 1-second trade for 10 points. Let's go. They've been doing some serious reg pulls. Yeah. ES needs to retest that 68.68 here. We got some stuck orders here, in case you're wondering. These are not real orders. They won't go away. Just something Quantire's been doing lately. Two minutes. I'm going to hold this through the news. Why not? Why not? One minute. Retest of 847? Yeah, that'd be nice. Are you talking about on the ES, though? Alright, I took, we're down to just 2 micros here. I'm going to look for the gap fill. All right, here we go. Let's see what happens. I'm long Tris, but this is a gamble. This is a gamble. A gamble. A little bit of a gamble. I might throw the stop in on this gamble. Nah. I'm not going to throw it in. Throw a stop in down there. Wow. Clinch. Yeah, Jolts is today. It didn't do anything. See if ES test that 68 here on a squeeze up. Can we pop the opening print here? $800 orders at 590. That's a big order. Yes, it's back below 63 here. Considering to close this. Let's see if ES can get some volume above 63 here. There it is. Oh yeah, Tris, mine too. Oh, that hurt my entire body. That hurt the entire body. Whew. Stops in. Guys, I'm going to probably short that 706.50 area. You banged 3 at 37. Let's go. Job openings expected. Pretty much just, okay, bullish. Thank you, Tris. Did the best we could. I'm going to short at 706.50. Just going to place an order there on my fundeds. Yeah, I'm going to go 5 micros. Oh, goodness, guys. Yeah, we'll see, Trev. Oh, goodness. We tapped 68 level there on the ES and rejected. That is a huge level for Mancini. I think he talked about that. He was talking about that 68 level is like a big back test on the way up. 68, 68. Protect gains, leave runner. 77, 89. I think I saw that 80, 68 was a big back test area. Not sure, though. Yeah, I'm going to short 706.50 on my funded accounts, guys. We are red on the funded accounts coming into today. 100 and well, I did take a little scalp trade earlier. I didn't tell you guys or show you guys, but it happened so fast. But we're at about $100. I took a long earlier right here on this close above on this this blast back through. I just took it for 10 points. It literally hit it right away. So yeah. The inside bar did pay. 32 points. Let's go. Nice job, Black Phoenix. Trade down Quan Tower. I think so. Let me look. I think they have Quan Tower, don't they? Let's see. No, it says Trade of 8, Ninja Trader, Trading View, Jigsaw. So I don't see that you can. All right, I'm out. Jigsaw, yeah, I don't think so. We are, Rob. It's tough. Jigsaw is just a trading platform. Big wicks on both sides of the last two 5-minute candles. Really indecisive. Really indecisive. I am still overall bearish, guys, but I would like a gap fill and then a sale. Jigsaws for scalpers. This is pretty crappy price action, guys. Pretty crappy. Just so you guys know, I got a limit order sitting at 706.50 for my funded account trade. 706.50 short. 10-point stop, 10-point take profit. That's where it is. Let me check out the gap on actual NQ here. Where's it at? $706.75 on the actual NQ. On the NQ. What up, Cobb? Why do we day trade when swing trade offers more freedom? Cobb, because swing trading, I don't know, requires a personal account. Very little prop firms will allow you to swing trade. So I'm trading prop firms, that's why. But yeah, I mean, if you're good at swing trading, I would say stick to that. Nothing wrong with that at all. Nothing wrong with it at all. There we go. Is Max preparing the offerings? He's offering up some sleep. He's taking a nap. Range is terrible today, guys. Might be a day where we just walk away. No Santa coins? Yeah, exactly. Short on the gold might work. Let me look. I mean, gold. I would say that you've already missed the short. I think the short was at 42.30. I mean, you could maybe short the break below 22.6. I don't know. Seems dangerous. Oh my gosh, guys. Whew. All right, guys. I think I'm going to walk away from the charts. I'm going to short up here. I got to be on My Funded Futures TV at 11:30. I need to get off the charts for a little bit. I'm just kind of like, I don't know. I'm just not feeling well. I appreciate you guys being here. I tried to give it a go for you. I'm going to suck it up and do the hour on My Fun of Futures TV, and then I'm probably going to take a nap. But that's going to do it for me this morning. Again, I'm going to short 706.50. I'm going to leave the order there. It's just a bad, it's just like, it's just not, the market's not moving. If there was action, I'd stay here, but there's not. I feel like I'm sitting here for no reason, so. Appreciate you guys watching. Join me over there on My Fun of Futures TV at 11:30. I'm going to try to tough it out, so I'm going to relax for the next hour. Guys, stay safe. Keep your P&Ls green if they're green, and we'll see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect